Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for classic Southern style cornbread. Crispy around the edges, soft in the center, and cooked the way Southern cornbread is supposed to be. And I'll show you the simple step that gives it that signature crust every good cast iron cornbread needs. For this recipe, you'll need self-rising cornmeal mix, baking soda, eggs, buttermilk, and bacon grease. Begin by preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the bacon grease into a cast iron skillet, then place the skillet into the oven while it preheats. This step is important. That hot skillet and bacon grease are what create that crispy golden crust around the edges of the cornbread. If the skillet isn't hot enough, you won't get that texture. While the oven and skillet heat up, combine the self-rising cornmeal mix and baking soda in a mixing bowl and set it aside. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs and buttermilk. Now, pour the buttermilk mixture into the cornmeal mixture and stir until everything is fully combined. You want the batter mixed well, but don't overmix it. Overmixing can make the cornbread dense instead of light and tender. Once the oven is preheated, carefully remove the hot cast iron skillet from the oven. Then pour the hot bacon grease directly into the cornbread batter and immediately stir it in. You should hear a little sizzle here. That's exactly what you want. That hot grease adds flavor and also helps create a better texture in the finished cornbread. Now, pour the batter back into the hot skillet. You should hear the edges start sizzling as soon as the batter hits the pan. That's how you know the skillet is hot enough. Place the skillet onto the middle rack of the oven and bake for about 25 minutes or until the cornbread is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. You're looking for crispy edges, a golden top, and a center that's cooked through but still moist. Once it comes out of the oven, let the cornbread rest for a few minutes before slicing. That gives it time to firm up slightly and makes it easier to cut clean slices. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes like this classic Southern style cornbread, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Southern style cornbread turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.